Juniper and me are going down the road, trading feet for wheels as our #1 mode. 255 AC blowing round, ears are flapping and our guards are down. Ooh, doesn't it feel right? Mary noses on the windshield of light.
Hello everybody, Ben here with Me and My Dog Travels. Juniper's inside right now, but I've been sitting out here thinking, what can I do for you that I haven't done in a while? Sorry I haven't done any videos in a while. I've just been following the rules of the stay home because of this terrible virus that's going around right now. Hopefully here in a few days, maybe 4 days hopefully, that they let us wander out a little bit so we can do a little more of what we can, but also stay healthy at the same time. I've been thinking some ideas, and for now I think what I would like to do is do a little cooking presentation for you, for my fans and stuff of my channel. And I was thinking, what can I do that's pretty good and also really good food for the Weight Watchers diet that I'm on. And I'm down a good 36 pounds, started in January, so yeah, 36 pounds. The hat feels bigger, fits better. The shirt I haven't worn in a long time. And but again, the meal I'm going to make you is a really good meatball onion bomb. And what that is you get a good sweet onion, stuff it with ground meat and good stuff, which I'll be showing you on the recipe, and wrap it with bacon, which I'll be showing you also, and showing you how to carve out the onion. So yeah, stick around and check it out. So look forward to seeing you in a bit. Okay, time now to make those awesome meatball onion bombs. All right, first let's take a look here what we're going to be using in this recipe. Of course, we're going to have a very, very good sweet golden onion here, very sweet onion. So the really good onions are from Texas, a good sweet onion from Texas, but I don't think that's what this is. But we're going to be using this. We're going to be adding some red pepper into our ingredients, and on this plate here what I have is Laura's 96% lean ground beef, and then I have low sodium bacon strips, smoked bacon, and I have 3 strips. This is a very, very good Weight Watchers item here too, because onion 0 points, red pepper 0 points. Dolores lean beef, the 96% beef, is 2 points, and the bacon, the 3 strips, is 3 points. So really you're looking at about 5 points for this meal, and it's so easy to make. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do here is with the red pepper is cut the top off, discard, cut the bottom just a little bit, discard, take it right down one side, and then you turn it around and you go through, and what we're doing is we're just cutting the core right out like so. Boom, 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 and then boom, and then boom, done, 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 and done. And then we take it, cut it in half, and that way we have a sin. Now we're going to rinse this off, get the seeds out. Rinse this one off, get the seeds out. Now we're going to use this whole red pepper just for one of these. So set this aside about right there, and then just make small little, and we'll go about 4, maybe 3 of that. 4 little slices there, and then cut these in smaller pieces. So we have like a diced red onion, but not too small. And then we'll set those right here. So we'll include that in our mixture. That's going to go into our stuffed meatball onion bomb. So here we go. We'll just keep those right here. Now we want to prepare the onion. First thing we want to do is cut the top, a little more, discard, cut the bottom, discard. There's still some skin on there, but we want to take it down to the first layer of skin here. So we want to just peel off. Hope it doesn't make me cry. Here we're peeling off the first layer of skin. So, like so. Rinse it off a little bit. Good deal. Now, what we want to do is, we want to get down to, we want to make this where we can stuff the onion. So what I want to do is, with my knife, just core out the middle, just a little bit. Get that good, like so. And we'll go all the way through. So what I'm doing is, see, just going right through the middle, like so. To the other side here, just turn it around, go like so. And we want to keep the onion that I'm doing this with here, you want to keep that extra onion, don't get rid of it. Set the knife aside, and then you want to take this an ordinary spoon, and we're going to finish it. And you just want to do like a layer by layer here, and we'll hold this out a little bit, like so. See how that's doing that right there? Good deal. Oh boy, this is going to be so good. Halve it out. And oh, it's so fun. Turn it around. Glad it's not making me cry. Oh boy, but it smells so good. But the reason I'm using a spoon, because if you use a knife to haul this out, usually you might cut too far through and cut your onion in half, which you don't want to do. So about there, a little more. All these flavors are going to be really good. And the best part, I'm going to be cooking this, slow cooking it, in my Ninja Foodie grill, which I'll be showing here in a little bit. Now, other people like to smoke these on their charcoal grill with indirect heat. That means putting the charcoals on one side and cooking this on the other side. And we'll cook this at a temperature probably about 250 degrees. Charcoal grills, you want to be between 250, 275. But I'm going to try it 250, probably take a couple hours. But can't wait to see how this is. So, all right, here we go. There it is. See my hauled out onion? Worked perfect. Use the spoon. Okay, next thing we're going to do is get our lean beef here. Got our meatball, but the thing is, you don't want to handle it too much. You don't want to smash it up too much. You want to keep that nice. You know, you don't want to just mushy it sometimes. So I'm going to take my red peppers, add some of that to it. Here, the red pepper, maybe a good meatball. We want some spices too. So there goes my red pepper. Now some of this onion that I used here, the rest of it, I'm going to dice up just a little bit of it here. Not too small, some nice big chunks here. And this is going to be really good. Oh boy. I feel a tear coming on though. Woo! So, alright, boom! Add that onion right on top of that. So, got my beef patty here. I'm going to show you, I'm not going to mix it in yet, not until I get some of my spices on there. But, this is what it looks like. Oops. So far, to show you here. See that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, add a little more of that. Okay. Get down my spice drawer here. Bum, 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 bum. Pick out a good spice. I like to use the St. Elmo Steakhouse steak spices. Good on steaks, chicken chops, burgers, seafood, vegetables, anything. But it is awesome. St. Elmo's, located in Indianapolis, Indiana. Really good steaks. So I'm going to add a little bit of that. Boom. There we go. It's probably about half a tablespoon, whatever, but usually I add my spice. I don't measure, I just add it. Put that right back where I got it. Now, I'll mix this up. Make me a good old meatball. So, mix that up good. Keep some of those pieces that are sticking around. Leave that guy over there. That's awesome. There. Again, you don't want to handle it too much, but there we go. All right, there's my meatball. Awesome. Now we just need a stuffed onion. Take this, boom, right in that hole. Stuffing the onion. See how it is on the other end here? Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Get as much as you can in there. There we go. It's gonna be really good. All right, that's about, I don't know if I said, it's probably about 5 ounces got in there. So go like that, doesn't hurt to mound it out a little bit on the bottom. It's about what it is right there. But man, when this is done cooking and everything with all that mixed together and stuff, it is going to be really good. And throw my excess right over here. Excess. Now we want to add the bacon. And now with the bacon, let me wash my hands here real quick. Got the bacon strips, low sodium bacon. Now one thing about bacon and stuff, usually people use toothpicks to help keep these, you know, on whatever vegetable or whatever they're using. You don't need to, because when bacon cooks, it constricts, gets tighter, so it wraps a lot better around the item while it cooks. So you don't have to worry about it coming loose or anything. See how I'm doing that? See that? Isn't that cool? And the next strip I'll just put over here. Get that on there. And ought to be pretty good. It's not all over the place, but at least it's baconized, right? Ooh boy. Look at that. There we go. Kind of move some of the pieces around. So there it is. Check that out. See that? All right. So we're all set now. Now what I might do too is add a little, before it's done, like with like 20 minutes to go, maybe add some little barbecue sauce on the top of it. That'll make it really pop out. I'll decide if I want to do that or not. I just got to keep my points down, because this is, again, one of my Weight Watchers items. So wash my hands here again. While I'm washing my hands, just haven't mentioned my hat yet. This is a new hat I have, and I just received it from a great company. And I forget the name, but I'll let you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be starting on my YouTube channel, Me and My Dog Travels. I'm going to be starting a little section of it on where I'm going to be going to spooky places and telling you some stories. So it'll be a little snippet in my channel on some really neat areas. And hopefully once this everybody's able to get out and everything, I can start my travels again and really venture out with Juniper and I. So yeah, but that's what the hat's all about. Be wearing this. It's like my costume hat. And also I have a cool mask, but I'm not going to show you that yet. You got to wait. So here in a little bit, let's I'll show you how the Ninja Foodie Grill, we'll get that set up, and we'll set this puppy right in there. So be right back. Okay, back. Let's take a look at the Ninja Foodie Grill. Let's get that set up. So we'll just come right on over here and we'll take a look at it. There it is. Look at that bad boy. Open it up, show you the inside. There's the grill. and it's a really good oven. It's really, I've done some really neat stuff with it. But right now, let's do this meatball onion bomb here. So what we're gonna do is turn it on. We're gonna grill. Let's go. Oh no, we're gonna do air crisp. No, actually we're gonna bake. We're gonna go about 250. Start. Shut it. Now it's gonna start up here and it's blinking, but once this gets all the way over here, it'll say add the onion. So we'll wait till it heats up here and be right back. Okay, what I did is I switched out the grill part and put in my deep fry basket because the onion fits better in this and it'll get cooked better too. So what I'm gonna do is I have it set, it's ready to add food. I got it for 2 hours, but I'll check it here once in a while to see how it's going. But we'll close it up. It's set at 250 degrees and it's starting up again. And once it gets going, that timer will start and we'll check on it. So here in about an hour or so, we'll take a look at it and see how it is. All right, I'm back. It's been about 2 hours. Now I told you earlier that I tell you where I bought this hat, and I got it from the Higgins Creek. They're a company out of California, and it's off. They're on Etsy, so check them out. They have really cool hats and masks, and they make to order. So yeah, I purchased it and they make it. So really cool hat. So hey, it's ended. Just ended. Let's check out our meatball onion bomb. Careful, it's hot. You never want to stand over the oven. Let's check it. Ooh, man, that looks good. Ooh, look at that. Oh, juicy. Hold on a second. Extra stuff. Close that up. Here we go. Doesn't that look good? It's soft to the touch. Next thing we need to do is cut it. Let's cut it. See what it looks like. Good. Oops, let's do the other. Do this knife. All right. Let's see how it looks. Oh boy, I'm in for a treat. Yeah. Meatball onion bomb. Check that out. So, but hey, I gotta eat something, so I'm gonna really enjoy that. And thank you for sticking with me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, subscribe please. And again, and as always, happy travels, safe travels, and have fun with your pets. See you next time on Me and My Dog Travels.